What if I told you that you could build a six-figure business using a free AI tool that's already sitting on your screen right now? Not as a fantasy, not as a theory, but as a real, practical path that thousands of people are already following. We're living in a time where ordinary individuals with no coding skills, no team, and no startup capital are building businesses that would have cost tens of thousands of dollars just a few years ago. And the engine behind those businesses isn't a giant company, a fancy office, or years of experience. It's ChatGPT. In this video, we're going to break down the full roadmap to building a $100,000 business using ChatGPT, how to generate profitable ideas, how to test and validate them, how to create products or services quickly, how to build your content and marketing engine, and how to automate operations so your business runs smoothly as you scale. By the end, you'll have a complete understanding of what it takes to build a real, sustainable business from scratch with AI by your side. The insane part is that we're still early. Most people using AI today are only scratching the surface. They're using ChatGPT to write captions or answer questions, while a small group of creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are using it to build automated systems that generate income 24/7. This is the new digital gold rush, and just like every major shift in history, the people who learn how to use the tools first are the ones who benefit the most. You don't need to be a genius or a tech expert. You just need to understand how to turn AI into leverage that multiplies your time, your skill, and your earning potential. Business foundations and market validation. Every successful business starts with clarity about what you're building, who it's for, and what problem it solves. ChatGPT is perfect for this phase because it can think alongside you and give you ideas and insights that would normally take days or weeks to figure out. The first step is generating a strong business idea, something that solves a real problem, sits inside a profitable niche, and matches your skills or interests. Many people try to come up with ideas alone and end up recycling the same generic concepts. But ChatGPT can help you dig deeper. You can tell it your industry, your experience, your interests, and even your personality, and it will create potential business ideas that perfectly align with who you are and what the market needs. One of the biggest advantages ChatGPT gives you is speed. A task that once required hours of Googling, studying competitors, reading market reports, and brainstorming ideas can now be completed in minutes with the right prompts. You can simulate customer interviews, generate niche breakdowns, identify pain points, and even evaluate whether people are willing to pay for your solution, all without needing to guess. This speed doesn't just save time, it reduces risk. Instead of sinking weeks into an idea that might fail, you can validate and refine it instantly and move forward with confidence. After validating your idea, it's time to structure the foundations of your brand and business. ChatGPT can help you outline the mission of your business, define your unique selling point, and write a simple business plan that outlines your goals, pricing model, brand positioning, and content direction. Instead of trying to manually create brand names or craft a voice for your business, you can use ChatGPT to generate a list of names, taglines, and descriptions that speak directly to your audience. What used to take entrepreneurs weeks can now be done in an afternoon. When your market research, brand identity, and business structure are clear, you have a solid foundation to move from planning into building and launching your offer. Now that your idea is validated and your business fundamentals are set, it's time to create the actual product or service that you will sell. ChatGPT is amazingly powerful here because it allows you to build things quickly without needing to be an expert in every area. Whether you want to create a digital product such as an ebook, a course, templates, or guides, ChatGPT can help you outline, structure, and draft everything step by step. If you're building a service business like a social media agency, an email marketing service, a consulting service, Or an AI-powered agency ChatGPT can help you craft your offer, define your packages, set your pricing, and explain your process in a clean and professional way. Once your product or service is ready and your content engine is running, the next step is building your sales and lead generation system. This is where many businesses struggle, but ChatGPT makes it easier by helping you create landing pages, sales pages, ad scripts, email sequences, and direct outreach messages that are written to convert. You can use ChatGPT to craft persuasive messaging that clearly explains the value of your offer, addresses objections, and guides people toward taking action. You can even use it to build automated chatbots or email responders that engage with leads while you focus on growing your business. When your offer, content, and sales system work together, you're ready to take your business to the next level. Once your offer is live, your content is flowing, and your messaging starts resonating with your audience, something powerful happens. You begin to see patterns. You start noticing which questions customers ask repeatedly, which content brings in the most leads, which parts of your process take the most time, and what tasks drain your focus. This is where ChatGPT becomes more than a creative tool. It becomes your operational backbone. Instead of hiring multiple team members early on, you can let AI handle these predictable patterns and turn them into streamlined systems, automation, and scaling to $100,000. Once your business is launched and you start getting traction, the next phase is using AI to automate your operations so you can scale without burning out. The goal is to do less manual work and let ChatGPT handle repetitive tasks. You can use AI to schedule posts, respond to FAQs, generate reports, summarize data, manage customer conversations, or even help with customer onboarding. Instead of wasting hours on tasks that drain your energy, AI frees up your time so you can focus on strategy, growth, and improving your offer. So far, we've walked through the full journey of building a $100,000 business using ChatGPT, from generating and validating ideas to creating offers, building content, launching systems, and automating your growth. The real difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. It's the people who don't just use AI casually, but the ones who use it intentionally to solve real problems and create real value. If you're serious about building your business this year, start today. Experiment with prompts, test ideas, build small projects, and let AI guide you as you grow. The opportunity is open to anyone bold enough to take the first step. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment with the business idea you want to build next.